Well, it's safe to say the service side of the economy is holding in. It's Friday, September the 5th, and this is Markets with Megan. If you like this podcast, please subscribe. You can hit that alarm bell. Also, share it with friends, family, or colleagues. But we're here today, as we always are, to break down some of the economic data that we've gotten and what does it mean going forward from an economic growth standpoint, as well as the Federal Reserve and the desire for them to cut interest rates here in a couple weeks. So let's dig into the data we got yesterday from the ISM Survey Index, and this is specifically on the services side of the economy for the month of August. And we look at this, and this is extraordinarily important data point that we get at the beginning of each month because the Americans spend the majority of their money on the service sector, not necessarily on goods, but on services. We saw that this index ticked a little bit higher on the headline level to a 52, which means that's in expansion territory. Anything above a 50. And when we dig down into the details, the positive side on that was from a new order standpoint. New orders rose to 56 compared to 50.3 in the prior month. Now, this is great news. This tends to be a good leading indicator for this index, but there's two other components in here that do create some concern. It's the prices paid as well as the employment. The employment component is still in that contraction territory at a 46.5. So employment in those service areas, think of getting your lawn cut, getting your hair done. Employment there is starting to weaken. And then when we look at the prices paid component, this still is high. We're looking at a level of 69.2. It did moderate a little bit lower from the prior month, but still at 69.2, the median average for this indicator is 59. Remember, anything above 50 means that it's growing or expanding. And when we're looking at 69.2, that is concerning. It's actually been above 65 for the past 5 consecutive months. So if service prices or what you pay to get your lawn cut or what you pay to get your hair done, if these things are rising, that's concerning because that's what the Fed calls sticky. It's harder for those prices to come back down. So the Fed's will take notice of this when they come to their meeting here in a couple weeks. That's all that we have today on the ISM report. This is a busy week. We'll be back here in a few minutes with some information we got on the labor market. Thank you and have a great day.